So at the Milwaukee, Wisconsin Tesla Service Center, made some progress finally. They got 5 high-powered wall chargers on the walls, a new style. So these are limited probably to 48 amp. No, maybe these are 80s. So I got 5 of them up right now. Let's see inside. High-powered wall charger inside. Some waiting area and some service desks. A little bit of wall art. Model Ys on the wall art. Nice. There's 3 vehicles here, so I'm not going to go poking around too much. Don't want to bother anybody. Oh, is that a Keurig? Yes, that is. Some sort of coffee machine. So it looks like they're in the back doing some work. I'm not going to bother them. Just going to let them do their thing, and I will come back when nobody's here. They have a service center key drop box already installed. So pretty cool. Front sign's up. Not sure if they're still going to be adding pedestals with more charging, but we'll find out. So that's it. This is April 15th, what would have been tax day. We get out of here before the police show up and tell me, hey, I'm not essentially traveling, and give me a ticket.